I come to you from Patna, in fact very near to this place called Punpun, where a 3D show of Narendra Modi is actually on. It's quite fascinating actually, the use of technology by the BJP in the small village. But then my story today is also about the Patna Sahib Lok Sabha constituency, where it's a war of superstars between Shatrughan Sinha and Bhojpuri film superstar Kunal Singh Yadav. Let's take a look at how their campaigning is panning out. In Patna Sahib, the original Bihari Babu is aiming for a second straight entry into the Lok Sabha. 15 years ago, Shatrughan Sinha's transition from films to politics was smooth. With Rajya Sabha terms, ministership in the NDA government at the centre, and then finally the ticket for Patna Sahib in 2009. But while the crowds are still flocking to listen to Mr. Sinha, the way ahead this time around may not be that smooth. Sinha is battling dissent within his own party, with many workers angry over a renomination for him. But even as the erstwhile film star has made his wish list clear, across the Patna Sahib constituency, a mix of urban and rural areas, many voters are refusing to stay khamosh on their MP's performance.
शत्रुघ्न जी आज तक लाके इधर दिखाई भी नहीं दिए हैं,
कभी नहीं,
कभी भी नहीं।
अच्छा,
ये इतना इलेक्शन जीत करके भी गए हैं, लेकिन इधर अभी तक भी नहीं उनको इधर देखे हैं। अच्छा। दर्शन नहीं है।
तो काम भी हुआ है कि कुछ काम भी नहीं हुआ?
काम नहीं हुआ है।
Looking to tap into this sentiment is the Congress candidate in the area. Up against Shatrughan Sinha in Patna Sahib is another film star, a superstar in fact, a Bhojpuri film actor, Kunal Singh, who was a last-minute choice for the Congress for the seat, but says that he is fully equipped to take on Shatrughan Sinha here in this constituency. Unlike Shatrughan Sinha, Kunal Singh prefers not to talk about his filmy connection, instead focusing on his family legacy. His father was a two-term MLA from assembly constituencies that fall within this Lok Sabha seat. सर, एक बात जानना चाहूँगा, आपके जो विरोधी हैं वो बहुत फिल्मी डायलॉग देते हैं जब वो स्पीच देते हैं, आपका भी कोई ऐसा डायलॉग है, क्योंकि आप भी इतनी बड़ी फिल्मी हस्ती हैं?
नहीं, देखिए, वो ये देश की दशा दिशा तय करने का चुनाव है.
And in this battle of the superstars, Parveen Amanullah of the Aam Aadmi Party hopes to woo Patna's urban votes. Her poll mantra invoking Arvind Kejriwal's name.
आप अरविंद केजरीवाल का नाम सुने हैं ना? दिल्ली में सरकार बनी थी, है ना? और सब जितना भी उन्होंने वादा किया था उसको निभाया, आपको पता है ना?
Till just about a month ago, Parveen Amanullah was a minister in Nitish Kumar's Bihar government. She was also an active member of the Janata Dal United. Now, of course, she's quit both the Bihar government and the Janata Dal United. She's now fighting the Patna Sahib Lok Sabha seat on an Aam Aadmi Party ticket.
The kind of government that came to Delhi, which kept all its promises, they want the same thing here. They are completely fed up. There were many film stars who came into politics. There were Dharmendra, there was Hema Malini, there were all kinds of people. And they know that these are people only who are heroes on the screen. They don't come on the ground. They do not struggle for rights of people. They don't struggle for amenities for people.
Unemployment, lack of sanitation, garbage disposal and roads are the major issues in Patna Sahib.
देखिए, सबसे पहला बात तो जॉब नहीं है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, सफाई नहीं है यहाँ पे. काफ़ी लोग बोलते हैं कि विकास हुआ है, मेरे को नहीं लगता कि विकास हुआ है. लेकिन अगर आप बोलिए कि इंडस्ट्री आ गया, जॉब आ गया, तो ये पूरा का पूरा फेक है.
And making it a four-way contest is the Janata Dal United's Gopal Prasad Sinha, famous doctor, now aspiring politician.
नीतीश कुमार, उनकी सरकार बहुत कमियां भाग की हैं. अनेक लोग गिनाएंगे, हमारा रोडवा देखे हैं, नलिया देखे हैं. अरे भाई, जादुई छड़ी एक दिन में हो जाएगा. लेकिन जो आदमी कर सकता है, जिसको करने की क्षमता है, वही आगे भी करेगा.
From Bihar's Patna Sahib Lok Sabha constituency with camera persons Habib Ali and Manoj Kumar, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV. Well, that was the battle for Patna Sahib, but like I said to you, I come to you from the venue of a 3D rally of Narendra Modi, where he is addressing all these people via 3D. Now this is very, very fascinating, the use of technology. This is a small village, mind you, and this is where this entire thing is. It's full of thousands of people right now. At least 1,000 people are here watching Mr. Modi, and this is happening at locations across this country. So a good advertisement for the BJP, if I could say that.